Yes, let's continue here. He said, however hard, I must win this race, thought he. Yes, Taran thought, whatever may be, how hard it is also, he wants to win the race. He wanted to show his father that he was not really the black sheep of the family and that he would be good at something at least. So he wanted to prove himself that he is not the black sheep. We said at the beginning, black sheep means the person good at nothing, good for nothing. Yes, he wants to prove himself that he is good at something, especially he wants to show to his father. It was 14 November, bowing low for the blessings of his mother. Taran pedaled away to the stadium. There was a huge crowd waiting to go inside. Taran entered the office where a signboard read, "Participants only." With his heart beating faster every second, inside there were about 50 participants waiting for the race to begin. Yes, it was the long awaited day has come, 14th November. Bowing low for the blessings of his mother, he took blessings from his mother because he was so fond of his mother. He was sharing everything with his mother, so he took the blessings of his mother. Taran pedaled away to the stadium. He went to the stadium. Pedal means what? Cycling. Okay. There was a huge crowd waiting to go inside. Many people, maybe one boy will have their father, mother, relatives. So many were there. Taran entered the office where the signboard read "Participants only." So there he saw a particular place in a signboard written "Participants only." So he is one of the participants with his heart beating faster every second. Now, lot of fear and his heart was beating faster than every second. It was beating fast. Inside there were about 50 participants. See, almost 50 participants were there to run. He felt someone patting him on the shoulders. "Hello, Tarun." It was Ram Narayan. "All the best," he said affectionately. Yes, who was that? Ram Narayan reached there and wished Tarun. He patted just at the back of his shoulder and said, "It's me, Ram Narayan," and wished him all the best. With a lot of love, he said, wished him all the best. Tarun smiled at him, but did not say a word. Fear had gripped him from head to foot. See, he could not utter a word. He only smiled at Ram Narayan because there is lot of fear in his body and it has gripped from his head to foot. A kind of fear entered in his whole body. All the participants lined up. Every face glittered with the hope of winning the race. Each one of them had his family and friends in the stands to cheer for him. To his amazement, Tarun caught sight of his mother in the stands. The fear in his eyes gave way to confidence. The whistle blew and all the participants started off with all their might. They were all determined to be the winner of the race. In the lead was the fastest of them all, Tarun. Seeing himself ahead of everybody, Tarun felt very proud of himself. You see, already the race was started. All the participants lined up. They started, made a line. You have seen in our own school also, when the sports starts or when the running race starts, how they stand, and many others will be cheering them up. So every face glittered with the hope of winning. Everyone will have they hope that I will be winning the race. So same way these 50 participants also, their face was glittered, it means shining with the hope. Each one of them had his family and friends in the stand. So everyone had either mother or father or both at their side to cheer them up, to support them, to encourage them. And to his surprise, what happened? He saw his mother also was there to support him. See, to his amazement, Tarun caught sight of his, what it means he saw his mother in the stands. The fear in his eyes gave way to confidence. There is no more fear. Why? Because he saw someone is there to support him. Who was that? His mother was there. So there is lot of confidence in him that he would run and he had a hope that he would win the race. The whistle blew and all the participants started off. Yeah, whistle came. They heard the whistle and everyone started the running. The running race started with all their might, with all their strength. They started to run. They were all determined to be the winner of the race. Everyone felt that they will be winning the race. And who was leading? Tyrone was winning, and he was ahead of everyone. Seeing himself ahead of everybody, Tyrone felt very proud of himself. So he was very happy that sometimes he was looking behind and he saw he is leading the running race. So he felt proud of himself. On the track, there was a shallow path. As he was running fast, Tyrone did not notice that and he slipped. Yeah, what happened? As he was running, he didn't notice a shallow path and he was running fast. Suddenly he slipped. You can see in the picture how he slipped. Breathing fast, he saw the other kids going past him. So they were going ahead of him because he already slipped. He fell. He could not be a loser today. And so without wasting a second, he got up to run once more. See what happens? When he fell down, he had a goal in his mind or a dream to achieve. So that falling did not mind. He got up again without losing or without wasting the time. He started to run again. Being quick, Tyrone overtook a few kids ahead of him. Since he was very fast, he was able to overtake others, some of them. But as a fate had it, he slipped once again. It was a bad luck for him. He fell down once again. What was happening to him? He could not bear it. He looked into the crowd and saw his mother. She was saying something to him. Get up, son, get up and run. You see the feelings, see how to understand the feelings of Tyrone right now. He was very good at running. He started to run. In the beginning, he was leading ahead of everyone. He was first. But meanwhile, suddenly he slipped. He did not see the shallow path and he fell. First time he did not mind. He got up and ran. Second time, he fell down again. But he heard someone saying that it was his mother telling him, get up, son, and get up and run. So there was a force, an encouragement, a word of hope from his mother telling him that to get up and run, not to give up, not to get into discouragement and start running again. Dear students, let us also, as we learn this story, let us examine also our own life. When we lose or when we fail in one examination, do we lose our hope or do we have that hope to start again? Yes, we have to remember that failures are stepping stones to success. So for the next class, read the lesson nicely and understand the difficult meanings, words and its meanings. Be prepared for the next class.